after some time you see the underneath जो उसके tones हैं वो visible हो जाते हैं और आपको darkness दिखाई देती है. So you have to stop it in the starting itself. बाद में आप उसको जितना मर्जी करेक्ट करते रहेंगे वो बहुत ज़्यादा थिक लगता रहेगा. तभी मैंने आपको बोला था जब आप मैक की पैलेट्स बनाते हैं, what you can do is you can segregate the tones itself. आप जब उस वक्त जाते हैं आप देखेंगे NCs जितने भी हैं यूजुअली या तो पीचेस में है या फिर येलो टोन्स में है, एंड NWs उसके जितने भी हैं वो सारे के सारे पिंक्स में हैं. तो आप उनको पहले से ही सेपरेट रखिए so that you don't commit a mistake while you're doing the makeup.
Ma'am, one thing is there when a cool tone girl is wearing a warm tone dress.
Then what do you do? Okay, I usually have lot of clients which are very dark and then they come with silver or very pink, light pink gowns. What I do is I either give them a very neutral makeup या फिर जैसे मैं उनको I can give her very bronzed makeup or I can play with lot of neutral colors, या फिर मैं उनको smoky look दे देती हूँ because blacks would go with anything and at least you're not putting those tones, wrong tones on her face and making her look bad. Especially with the silvers, if you see कि बहुत सारे जगह पे आजकल antique gold के साथ इसमें तो Swarovskis है लेकिन silver edging बहुत ज़्यादा हुई होती है. तो what I do is I use white gold. What white gold does is it is still warm on the face, not very cool, but it also gives a little reflection because it is white and looks like silver. So you're not doing wrong makeup on her. And then, as I told you, नीचे lot of colors are going in, and with the angular brush, I'm just going to bring a little bit of the colors that we've done on the eyes up. Just bring it down to the lower lash line. The pinks and purples that I'm using are of MAC. The white gold is again from Beauty Solutions. What would you like to see? How to make a Swarovski studded liner, or how we do it like a replacement of a liner?
Swarovski liner.
Swarovski liner.
Ma'am, from where do you get Swarovski?